Hello guys, how are you? Okay, today's problem it said sketch the region bounded by the graphs of the algebraic functions and the area of the region. So we have two functions here. We have f of x and g of x. So first we want to know the point of intersection between these two functions to know the integral limit. So the point of intersection, when the two functions are they intersect, when basically they equal each other for the y value. So we're going to make the two functions equal to each other. So x squared minus 4x equal to 0. So x, take the x as a factor, then so that would be x minus 4 equal to 0. So we have either x equals 0 x equals 0 or x equals 4. Okay, so now we know our limit, x equals 0 or x equals 4. So we want to know that. So if we graph this function, so that's 0, that's g of x equals 0, and then x squared, so it's minus 4x. So x squared minus 4x. That's the parabola is shifting for when x equals 0 here. So that's going to be the parabola. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So substitute when x equals 0, y equals 0, when x equals 2, so 4 minus 8 is going to be minus 4. So right here, and when x equals 4, y equals, so 16 minus 16 is 0. So that's going to be my function here. That's 4, that's 1, 2, 3, and then that's 0. So that's my f of x function. So to write, we have the graph, and we have the two functions, g of x, f of x, and we have the integration limit from 0 to 4. So we're ready to write the area of the region. So we can say area, which is equal integration from 0 to 4 g of x minus f of x, right? Alright, so we can put all this in parentheses, and this is around the x-axis, so dx. So that would be equal from 0 to 4. So g of x is 0 minus f of x, so it would be minus 0 to 4. 0 minus f of x is x squared minus 4x, all this dx. So that's going to be equal. So that's going to be minus. We take the minus sign out. 0 to 4 minus x squared minus 4x dx. And then we do the integration. So integration for x squared, that's x cubed over 3 minus 4x squared over 2, and from 0 to 4, and then we substitute for the integration value. So 4 cubed over 4 cubed over 3. So 4 times 4 times 4, that's equal 64 over 3. So this will be 64 over 3 minus 4x squared, which is 4 times 16. 4 times 16. 4 times 16 equal 64 over 2. Alright, minus 0. So the other expression is 0. Alright, now I will simplify this. So we're gonna take the common denominator, which is 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 over 3 is 2. 2 times 64. 2 times 64 equal 128 minus 6 over 2. 6 over 2, that's 3. 3 times 64 equals 192. So 192. So don't forget we have here a negative sign, right? Okay, equal negative 192, 128 minus 192. So 128 minus 192 equal minus 64 over 6. So minus 64 over 6, which is going to be simplified. The 2 sign will cancel out. So if we divide by 2, that's 32 over 3. And that's the area of the region between this integration limit 0 and 4 for this 2 function. Alright, and there you have it.